The body has its own unique 24-hour cycle, and so does the skin. Think of your skin as a pretty brick wall. You have the bricks, which are your skin cells, and the mortar, which is all the lipids that surround it. During the day, it wants to close down. It wants to protect itself from pollution, dust, blue light. So at night, the skin opens up and it goes into repair mode. So that's the perfect opportunity for you to apply ingredients that help with that regeneration process. But you also lose a lot of hydration. So we have to be really cognizant of replenishing that during the day. So we developed 2 different formulas, one for the day and one for the night. The Everything Night has anti-aging peptides, deep moisture, melatonin balancing bark, and firming and smoothing shiitake mushroom. It's one multitasking formula that addresses all the ways your skin ages. The result is you're gonna have really beautiful skin.